Congratulations guys, you have got your visa, and in step 8 it will be a brief video. I'll just be talking about what to do after you get your visa, how to make your travel plans, and what all to carry, what all things you will need. So first and most important thing you will need to do after getting your visa is book your flight tickets. So there's no airline preference, it's just whatever is cheaper, convenient for you, book it from wherever you want. There's no hacks for it. I'll just say if you're booking online, try to book on Tuesday or Wednesday and fly on Tuesday or Wednesday. I have noticed over a period of time that the flights on Tuesday or Wednesday are slightly cheaper, but it's up to you. It's not much of a difference you will be having. So book your flights according to your convenience. And yes, sometimes Air India is giving extra baggage allowance, but I don't think you would generally need it. But book your flight tickets, whichever is fine with you. Start packing your stuff. So what all things you need to carry, just make a brief checklist. There are lots and lots of videos, so I'll make a link here in the description also, and I'll attach a video in the top to know what things to carry. And make sure to carry all your documents, hand carry all your documents that you have submitted for your visa, and all your educational and professional work experience documents. Every document needs to be hand carried. As far as packing is concerned, travel light. You will be carrying your own luggage, so no need to stuff everything. You have 43 or 46 kgs allowance, no need of carrying everything. You get everything over here. And from my experience and from experience of little recent travelers, students, I have noticed that you get everything here, and there's generally no need to bring any extra stuff from India. So just carry a casual pair of clothes, t-shirts that you will be using daily, and some food items, mummy ke haath ka khana, any special thing that your mom makes which is impossible to find here. So such small things try to bring. If you want, if you're a Maggie fan, just to start initial few days to help you out, bring Maggie. And then between the time you get visa and when you're traveling, just eat well. Try to eat all your favorite food items, because I'm sure you will not get the same taste over here. You will get the same thing. Pav bhaji udhar bhi milegi, you will get the pav bhaji here also, but that taste that you are used to eating from childhood, you will not get it here. But yes, so eat your favorite food items, stuff up everything you want, meet up everyone, and say goodbye. And with this note, I think I'll end this video also here and say goodbye to this series also. It's step 8. So I made a very easy to understand 8 step by step guide to the complete student visa process till the time you travel. So stay tuned with on my channel, and I'll bring more videos, and I will be sharing more and more information regarding different courses, jobs, and everything related to international student life in the UK. So stay tuned, and if you like my video, please do share, subscribe, and comment below. And of course, I reply to every query. So if you have any doubts, any queries, feel free to comment below, and I'll surely help you out. So guys, stay tuned on my channel, and congratulations and good luck. Cheers. Bye.